Hello guys, this is Usman and welcome to another episode in Tech and Talk. This is Angular JS series and we are going to start Angular 7 today. Angular 7 is already in market from a while, so let's just first discuss what are the main features introduced in Angular 7. The most important feature is the command line interface, which means the Angular CLI. Why not just let's start by installing Angular CLI, and while it's getting downloaded and installed, we will discuss the other features in Angular 7. So to install, let me add a command on my CMD. So to install this CLI, you need to have npm package manager installed, and as we are going to develop a web application which will be hosted on Node.js, so you will also need a Node server. So to install both of those dependencies, just go to nodejs.org, and here you can download your related installer related to your OS, and it does includes the npm as well. You can see here include npm 6.4.1. so just download and install your Node.js installer and you will have npm with it. And just go for it. Let me see where we have been. It's already installed. Next step will be to create a simple web application through that CLI.